Hi, hello, welcome back. Hope you are all having a good time. Today we will make chutney with coriander leaves and white chutney. Both can be paired with breakfast as well as snack dishes like idli, dosa, vada, uttapam, pongal and the like. Into the blender goes 1.5 cup of grated coconut, 5 to 6 shallots, a small piece of ginger, about 3 green chilies. Adjust according to your spice preference. Now add some salt and blend this into a smooth paste, adding water. This is my mother's recipe and I have grown up having this quite often. Here also we will make it at least once in a week. Don't add too much water while blending. The coconut might not get blended properly if water is in excess. Now add water and adjust it to the required consistency. For making tadka, here I have used coconut oil. Into it goes mustard seeds, urad dal, red chilies and curry leaves if you have. I have already done a video on how to make idli dosa batter. I will give the link down below in the description box. Into the pan, here I am adding some coconut oil. You may also use sesame oil to get a unique flavor. Add half a teaspoon of jeera seeds. As soon as it splutters, add 6 to 7 shallots, 3 pods of garlic, a small piece of ginger and green chilies. Into this goes 1 medium-sized tomato, finely chopped. Saute well until the tomatoes turn mushy and gets cooked completely. Now that tomatoes are cooked, here I have taken 2 bundles of coriander leaves. Keep mixing until the coriander leaves are done. Now transfer this into a blender. Add a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida powder or hing along with salt. Blend this into a coarse or a smooth paste. You may add a quarter cup of grated coconut while blending. Make a simple tadka with mustard seeds, urad dal, red chilies and curry leaves if you have. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.